Hello, today I will talk about environment TS file in Angular project. So as we know in the Angular, after creating a project, will get lots of files. So it is one of the Angular environment file. Let me show you where it is available. So this environment as a file is present in the environment folder. So after creating a new project, you will get these files by default: environment production and environment TS file. So let me show you how it work, how what they work. So here in these files, here we define the main URLs according to the type of environment it needs. So as we know in the development, we are using multiple environments like QA and development and QA development and production environment. So it has some different URLs. So we define those major URLs in the environment TS file. So according to the type environment needs, if we are using API, it is used to make a build for which purpose we are making a build. It is used to make a build for which purpose we are for QA production. So as we know, if we create a build, so by default it will create a build of development. So if you want to create a build for production QA, then it has some different command. If it means on those builds, it will generate the build according to the environment that you're using. It is used to create a build for which we are for which person we are creating a build, like QA production development. So when you create a new project, then it will generate an environment folder automatically with the two files, environment and environment production TS file. So the environment production file export the same JSON object and should have the same properties as of environment TS file. So let me show you. So in the environment TS file and the environment production files, so there must be same key values they are available, so that we can create a build for the multiple environments. So as you can see here it is mentioned like the same JSON object and should have the same properties as of the environment TS file. So when you build your application for production mode using command this, so let me for the prerequisite is here is that you must know about how to create a build in Angular. So in Angular we use the command ng build to create a build. So it will create a build of the development. If you want to create a build of production, then you need to add this flag prod here. So how means it will generate the build of production. So in that case, all the values of environment TS file shall get overridden by environment production TS file. So by using file array which is declared in the Angular JSON file, because of this property, the file can be replaced during the build. So let me show you in the Angular JSON file. So in the Angular JSON file, there is a file replacement property, which what it will do. So it will replace the environment TS file with environment TS file. So then that is why after that you will create a build. You will create a build for the production. This is the way to create a build for production. The file because the property can be replied during the build. So using ng build, prod replaces. So using replace with this. So what the code is written in the environment file. So as you can see here we have defined the variable like it is which environment it is. It is not a production environment. So that is why we declared a false. So suppose we are using some API here, so we can add the new key and with its value according to the environment. It is a development environment for the production environment. So you can declare the URLs here. So so this is for the development and production environment. This will work in the development and production environment only. So what if you want to add a new environment, like if you want to add a new QA environment? So what you need to do for that? So let me show you how you can achieve that. For multiple environment, add a new object in configurations. So let me show you. So this is an configurations. This is a production. So if you want to include the staging environment, so let me show you. So it is declared till here. So copy paste it. Just simply copy paste it, add comma and add a new environment, which is so what is our second environment? Is a staging environment. For the staging environment, you just add a new key here, and in that you just need to replace it with the environment ts file with the stage environment staging.ts. So here just add this here. So and create this file also here on the environment folder. So as you can see here, this will work only on the staging environment. So whatever the links of the staging environment, you can declare it here. So now it will create a build for the, so to run so the command to run the build of this is ng build staging. So let me check the command of this. Broadfield and the environment.ts. So these are steps that I already told you. So create a new environment files and update those UAT and files and add the new object. Then you can run this command. So now it will create a build for the staging environment, whatever the environment you have added. So as you can see here, it will create a build for new environment. So these are the errors it's coming because I have configured a rule in the ts config file. Now if I remove the rule sorry, now if I remove the rule, then it will work normally. Here it is staging. Now it is creating a build. You can add these command in the packages and also in the under the scripts. It means it will make the things more easier. So as you can see here, it has created a build of the dist. So as you can see, it is available here for the it has created the build for the staging environment. So thanks for watching, and do like and subscribe. The more interesting videos are coming now. Thanks guys for watching.